In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A05s, and today I would like to show you where you can locate all typing options. Begin by opening settings and scrolling all the way down. Following that, click on General Management and select Samsung Keyboard Settings. As you can see, some smart typing options are over here. To manage them, click on the switchers next to the chosen ones, or just tap on the chosen one and tap on the switcher here. You can also go back, scroll down just a bit and click on More Typing Options. Then manage all of those the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!